Hello friends. Today we learn from 101 Essays That Will Change the Way You Think by Brianna Wiest book. That you realize that to help others, you must first help yourself. Your experience is constructed by your mind. Give yourself permission to feel okay. The trick, the whole work of loving ourselves, is just learning to do it on our own. Keep your spaces clean and clear. Consume your mind with things that interest you aside from your own problems. It's hard to see how far along the path you've come while you're so focused on taking each step. You have something in your life that you would have previously considered impossible, or at least a dream come true. You forget how much you've gone through simply because it doesn't cross your mind anymore.